Well, we're stuck. All right, today we're gonna do this. We're putting some gauges in. I'll show you the old ones. I don't know if you can see that very well, but they don't work, any of them. So we're gonna give the old forklift a little bit of love today, mostly so I can see if I'm overheating or not. We'll put these gauges in it and make it a little more user-friendly. Maybe get it to steer a little better. We'll see. So this old girl's got a slant 6 in it. We got a little bit of a fuel leak. The old Holly's leaking. I got a gasket ordered, but it hasn't made it here yet. That's the wiring. It's not looking real prime. We're gonna have to do some stuff to that. I mean, these are just twisted together basically, so I haven't done anything with this other than use it, and today is the day we're gonna work on it a little bit. I got to get some front tires on it because these are not gonna do for wet conditions. I'll be stuck all the time here. We're gonna go ahead and work on that too. The oil pressure gauge out, as you can see, it's pretty messed up. It's got some problems in there. We'll put what's new in there, get it wired up. It's a manual gauge, so it actually has a pressure hose that runs down, so it'll be way better, more reliable. I'll get the rest of these out of here, and then we'll deal with this wiring nightmare that we have under here and make it a little more user-friendly. Should work good. All right, I'm getting it. This thing's dusty and cruddy, but gauges looking better, right? Can read them actually. So right now I'm installing our oil pressure line. It's gonna go from that this little thing right there all the way over to the gauge right there. I'll hook it in, tighten it up, then I gotta pull this out and put that in it, and I'll be reading temperature and oil pressure. Okay, I think I got her handled. That's all plumbed in. Oil line goes up through, wiring's dealt with. I'll show you what we got. First fire up here, let's see. Can see the gauges. Oh yeah. So we are charging. Has oil pressure. Temperature gauge is good. We just made a big improvement on this thing. So now I can use it a little better and life will be good. I still have to deal with my fuel pump. It's just dangling down here, but I ain't got any more time to work on today. That's all the time I had, so next time I'll work on the fuel pump, maybe the steering, and some tires. I got to deal with that, so. But it's functional again. Life's good.
So we got a package the other day from Denmark, and it's got a whole bunch of like treats and stuff in it, and it says, "Hi Paul, this is a small gift with some Danish taste samples made here in Denmark. You can share it with your young wife," I like them, "and make a video with tastes and tools. You must decide first." So that gave me an idea that this would be actually something super fun, like just do a teeny little segment in one of our videos of like foods that we've never tried before from different places. So if you guys want to send us stuff and let us try it, send it on over. Anyway, so thank you, Michael from Denmark. You're awesome.
I've already sampled these chips.
Paul already sampled these. He opened these.
I was hungry, sorry.
And he did it back upside down, which is annoying.
That's annoying?
This is called American Grill.
Yeah, that's why I went with those. It's pretty good. I love barbecue.
Oh, and he also sent tools.
This bag blew up in transit. It's opened already from the wrong end. So these are like dipping chips. They're good.
Super Pirates. If that tastes like black licorice, I'm out.
Those aren't good.
All right, thank you, Michael. But,
yeah, those ones are out. Little gummy frogs. They're good. These are pretty good.
What are you eating now?
I dropped these on the ground, so I'm eating them.
These are called Matador Mix. Caramel?
They're coated.
What is it?
It was good. They seem to be okay.
These are Fruit Mix.
That's good.
Tastes like licorice.
Tastes like those licorice with the stuff in the middle of it.
And this is chocolate with caramel. Do you know how to say caramel in Danish. This
Sounds
is called Caramel à la chocolate. This looks like those caramellos.
Oh, no.
I don't mess with
So-
that stuff.
Anyways,
Not a chocolate.
No,
he doesn't
not
like chocolate, but I do.
I'm a
This
gummy
is-
candy guy.
This is Paul, and this is Michelle. I gotta try one of the chocolate. It's pretty good. We approve. These look like American Cheetos to us. They're not quite as orange. I like them.
It tastes like that popcorn.
Those are my favorite. And they don't even make your hands orange. And you can just go like this and you don't have to wash your hands, unlike Cheetos that gets everywhere. Our neighbor Max just showed up. So we're gonna let him try one of these. Oh, he put the whole thing in.
It's like weird salted licorice.
That's what it tastes like.
But I like black licorice and I like salt.
What? You like those?
Yeah, they're not bad.
Okay. Well, we know who's gonna get to take those home today. Paul's off trying to find a tool that he lost, so we got some more stuff. Hello, Michelle, Paul, and family. We wanted to send you some good old Blue Nose Nova Scotia love. Since we can't give you a bear hug, we will send you some gifts. I sent you a necklace with a bit of Nova Scotia in it, and I hope you like it. So it's got all that stuff inside of it. That's awesome. From Rose and Dave Crouchman. P.S. Say hi to Papa Dar. Tell him I love his long blonde hair.
That's cool.
That's awesome. Look at
Little
that.
maple syrup.
Is that syrup?
Yeah, and it's a leaf. These are called Smarties, but they do not look like the Smarties here in America. All right, those did not taste like I thought they were going to.
It tastes like kind of like M&M's.
They do kind of taste like M&Ms. And Paul, these are your socks. Come here and open your socks.
Says, if you can read this, bring me a Mountain Dew. That's good.
That is really good.
I'll be wearing
When
those.
you're kicked up on the couch, when the kids, you just flip your toe.
Exactly.
That means bring another Mountain Dew, huh?
That's awesome. Thank you, guys. Until the next Taste and Tools segment.
All right, so the other day when I was driving the old Woodchuck, she was a little squirrely. We're stuck. That seems to be pretty bad right there. We slid right off in that hole and she's buried. So we're gonna go ahead and test the winch out. I've been hauling a significant amount of wood lately. That's the wood pile over there. Got to get her split and stacked in the woodshed. But anyhow, back to the truck. It was driving all over the place and I couldn't figure out why. I had a big load on. I thought that might be it, but I got home and I assessed my situation. I'll show you what I found. Yeah, so that's not good. So I got to deal with that. It's been broke for a minute, evidently. So we're gonna pull it in the shop and put a new shackle on it. Get her fixed back up so I can haul some more wood. So that's this morning's project. We'll get after it. I gotta drag the golden nugget out of the way and then pull this in, so we'll get her done. That's the problem for sure. So I guess I'll run down to the old parts pile. I think I have some more of these things on a frame down there. It's gonna be my easiest bet is just go rob another set, throw them on. Problem solved. I'll be back hauling wood again. We'll make a run to the parts pile. All right, so I keep a lot of old junk around because it's still good and I don't want to buy new stuff. Here we go. Some revolver shackles off of Dar's old Jeep. They're gonna work perfect on the old Woodchuck. We'll pull them off, throw them on there, we'll be in good shape. All right, so it's gonna work pretty good. It's gonna drop it just a little bit, which is fine, because that's gonna give me a little bit more caster cut into the front of this. It's probably gonna steer better. I gotta get that lined up like so. Put the bolt in it, put the other side on it, and that's done. Then I'll look it over, see if I got any other problems. Okay, shackles are on it. Oh, I screwed that one up though. This side is on proper. As you can see, I got that one upside down. I'll hurry and fix that. There it is, proper looking. I figured while I was doing this, I might as well change oil in this thing. I got some oil and a filter. We might as well get that done, give it a little love, and we're gonna put a thermostat in it too because it's getting cold and the heater don't work, so we'll do that. let that drain for a bit. And then we'll throw some like power steering fluid that's leaking everywhere. That makes more sense. The box frame doesn't seem to be broke anywhere. That's a bonus. You gotta inspect this stuff once in a while, make sure everything's kosher with it. This poor old truck just gets abused. I'm gonna go ahead and use the finest Super Tech oil filter that I have. Oil filter is on. We'll tighten this plug. We'll let it down and fill her up with oil. All right, we got nothing but the finest Super Tech oil that money can buy going into this, because that's what I got sitting in the shop. We'll throw a bottle of Lucas in with it to mix it up. I don't know if it really makes that big a difference, but it'll burn this just as good. This motor has no valve seals on it because it was a derby motor, so it likes to drink oil anyway, and I'm too lazy to pull the valve covers and all the springs off to put valve seals back on it, so it's just gonna eat oil. There's that. She's full up. We'll check it. Okay, she is still down. So we'll put another quart in it and then get a quart of Lucas. She'll be good. All right, we'll go ahead and fire this thing up and then circulate the oil, then we'll check it. I gotta get a thermostat. I don't have one of those, so we'll do that later. Right on the money. Woodchuck is ready to go haul some wood again. Today's video is sponsored by Decked.
Decked makes organizing and accessing your stuff so much easier. Each of Deck's 2 full bed length drawers can hold up to 200 pounds. You guys could get in there.
So the Decked drawer system is weatherproof, so it secures and stores all of your stuff away from Mother Nature.
Who can be a real mother?
Drawers roll out waist high, giving you easy access to your gear.
The Decked drawer system keeps your gear secure.
If your tailgate's locked, you can't open the drawers and you can't remove the system.
Drawer locks are available for added security and peace of mind.
Decked is 100% made in the USA.
And backed by a lifetime no-hassle warranty.
With a second-to-none customer service team that's ready to answer any of your questions.
Click the link in the description or go to deck.com/fabrats.
For free shipping on your Decked drawer system.
Fire extinguisher. The old Yankum, gotta have that so we can pull people out. Of course I'm not gonna get stuck, but...
Look at that. All right, so far, what do you like about this?
Well, all my stuff's gonna be in there and not get wet. There we go, she's in.
Okay.